They give you the news every darn morning, and also they have a really big hearts. Yes, they do. Our Good Morning Maryland team was at 5 Below in Towson today collecting school supplies for kids. So if you're out shopping for school supplies, grab something extra for a kid who might not be able to afford something new this year.
Look at Chanel Perryman working all hard there. We're collecting the backpacks, the notebooks, pens, and all the essentials for the Preston Mitchum Jr. Foundation's back-to-school drive, and you can drop off the items at Laundry City East and West. We've got several other locations. If you missed the GMM team this morning, you can catch them again tomorrow from 10 till 12. They're kind of taking the show on the road.